Good morning, students of standard 5 PhD. Please, what I am telling, in previous classes I have discussed about the simple interest amount. So now here I am writing once more principal. Principal is denoted by P. Time is denoted by T. Rate are simple interest that is denoted by SI. Amount is denoted by A. Please listen, my dear student. So first SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. Now if the question asks find the principal means P, SI into 100 by R into T, and R is equal to SI into 100 by P into T, and T is equal to SI into 100 by R into T. R into T. P, my question. Now sometimes maybe ask questions amount. So what did you write? Amount is equal to amount. Amount is equal to P plus SI. Now P, it can be written as amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. This interest is also called simple interest. Now I am writing short form P is equal to A minus SI and SI is equal to A minus. This one already I discussed so many times. So any question is asking. Now I am going to once more particularly I am going to discuss more questions. So question number first, third. Question number first, third. Question number first, third. Find the interest. Find. First question is there. First third. First, find the simple interest. Simple interest on third is there. P is equal to here. P is equal to rupees 1400. Now P is equal to 1400. T is equal to 3 by 2 years. T is equal to this one you change into mixed fraction. It is given improper fraction 3 into 2 6 plus 1 7 by 2 years. And time, that is the rate is given 4 1 by 2%, means 4 into 2 8 plus 9 by 2%. My dear students, what you will write? SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. Now SI is equal to P, what is given? 1400 into R, what is given? R 9 by 2%, T 7 by 2% by 100. Now see this one, this cut. Okay. Now this also cut. 14 will divide by 2, 7 will come. 7 into 7, 49. 49 into 9. Equal to what is will come? SI is equal to rupees 441 by 2. Okay, is equal to what is right rupees 220 220.50. It is clear? Any problem? Now the another question is there. What is there that I tell you? Therefore, simple interest is equal to rupees 220.50. This is your answer. Understood? This is the one question I have done. Now, the next question is there. Now the next questions I am going to solve. Here, question number 2. What is question number? Find the amount to be paid on rupees. So P is equal to rupees. You have 4,850. T is equal to given 6 years. What is given? 6 years. And rate R is equal to what is given? 4%. 4%. Now what is find the amount? Amount is going to ask. What is amount? This is the question. So to find the amount, first we find out simple interest. S is equal to, I have given you P into R into 3 by 100. S is equal to, what is the right P? Rupees 4,850 into R, 4% is 6 by 100. Now my dear student, what you will do? See this one, cut 1 0 with 1. This is 2, 4 divided 5, and it will come 97 into 2. 97, 6 into 2, 12. Or you can do 97 into 2, 194 divided by into 6. Rupees 984. What is it? 984. Now amount is equal to, you have studied P plus SI. Now P, what is P? See this one, what is P? P is given here rupees 4,850 and plus rupees 984. So what is the right? Addition do 0 plus 4, 8 plus 5, 13, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 9, 18, carry 1. 984. sorry, it will come 1154, but it will come 1164. Now if you will add 4, 6 plus 5, 1131, 9 plus 8 plus 9 plus 1, 1031, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, rupees 600, 6014 is your answer. Sorry for this one, it will come 1164. It is clear? Now what I am telling, question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 is there here. P is equal to it is given. Find the amount received by Raju. P is equal to rupees 4400. 4400. Okay. T is equal to 3 by 2 years. And R is equal to 6%. Now see this one. First, in this one, find the amount. Here also going to ask amount. Amount is asking. First for simple interest. SI is equal to P into R into T 500. What is the value of SI? So now 4400 plus 4400 into R 6 into 7 by 2 and by 100. Now see this one, cut it. What it will come? 22, 132. 22 into 6, 132 multiplied by 7. Carry 1. Rupees. SI equal to rupees 924. Now amount is equal to P plus SI. Now rupees 4400 plus 924. So 24 will come. 9 plus 4. And this is your answer, rupees 5000. Once more, 4, 2. Okay, this is your answer. Now understood? And listen, go through our video, and if you have problem, please